Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Sasa Media in collaboration with RHCP Community Update. I am Yahya Ahmed. Today I have a special guest, my dear brother, Dr. Shafi'i. Dr. Shafi'i, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Yahya. Thank you.
Thank you. You and I have done a lot of these community updates, and as a matter of fact, you are one of my favorite resources to go to when it comes to informing the community. I know in the past, from 2016 to 2018, RHCP have done a surveying our Somali community, and within that survey, asked many things. But I think the two biggest takeaway was that the survey asked what was important for our community, and now I hear that the results are out. What can you tell us about that survey?
Yeah, that was a very important survey, like you said. You know, we had more than 600 people respond to the questions on the survey, and two specific questions asking people about the important health issues for themselves and their families, and then the community were asked. We analyzed that and put out a report just a couple of years ago, and I think the results still apply, even though the last couple of years have been overtaken by COVID. I think we can focus back on these other health issues that are important for our community.
MashaAllah, that's a great news and great work. So out of those two questions, what are the most important health issues for our community that community said that were important to them?
So I'll list them out. I organized them into the top 10 for individuals and their families, and then important issues for the communities. And now there's an overlap, and the top 5 is basically the same. Number 1 was diabetes. Number 2 was high blood pressure. Number 3 was weight, overweight or obesity. Number 4 was health behaviors like diet and exercise. 5 was cancer, and mental health was number 6. Number 7 was heart disease and stroke. Number 8 was substance abuse. Number 9 was infections, and then 10 was other things.
Wow. We are hoping that we can sit down and then break down the same way that high blood pressure and obesity, the same way that the community said those are the highest risk factors that's important to them, that they want to know more information, and also that's something that's within our community as well. So Jazakallah khair. Hopefully then next part that we can talk about, just sit down and just focus one of these important health issues that our community has identified. And if anyone has any questions or concern, please feel free to reach out to us. We're more than happy to come to any mosque or any school and sit down with any organization, inshallah. And we appreciate your support, so please make sure that you like this message and share it whoever you think that will benefit from it. Jazakallah khair, and have a wonderful day.